Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to say can and can't with an easy guide. These two small words are incredibly powerful in English, allowing us to express a wide range of meanings. We'll explore their primary uses, from stating abilities to asking for permission. Understanding their correct application is key to clear and effective communication. By the end, you'll feel much more confident using can and can't in various situations, making your conversations smoother and more precise. Let's start with can to express ability. Think about what you are capable of doing. For instance, you might say, I can run a 5-kilometer race in under 30 minutes. It also conveys possibility, suggesting something might happen or is generally true. Consider the statement, a small car can achieve excellent fuel efficiency, often over 40 miles per gallon. This highlights a general truth about its potential. Now let's look at can't, the negative form, which indicates inability or impossibility. If you are unable to do something, you would say, I can't swim across that wide river. It also expresses that something is not possible or not allowed. For example, you can't fit a 10-foot sofa into a 5-foot room. This clearly states an impossibility due to physical constraints. Finally, can is frequently used when discussing permission. In casual settings, you might ask, can I use your phone to make a quick call? This is a common and polite way to request something. Conversely, can't is used to deny permission. A parent might tell a child, no, you can't have another cookie right now. Mastering these uses will significantly enhance your everyday English conversations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.